Now, I bought these off of Amazon. They are $9.99 for 800 beads. I thought it was a pretty good deal. It's 2 rows of 10s, 1 row of 8s, a row of 6, and a row of 4. They look like a pretty good deal to me. I really can't tell because I'm not used to buying beads in bulk like this. I'm used to buying them on strands. So I'm going to string these up to see if they're consistently cut, how the color is. The color in the box is absolutely gorgeous, but let's see what it looks like strung, because that's really the difference of whether this is a good deal or an okay deal. Now I'm back and I have all my beads strung. They are gorgeous. I was worried about them having some offcuts and some off drill holes, but they're pretty even. They're really nice, and I love rondelles because there are no pokey edges. They're all soft and supple, and this color is absolutely gorgeous. These are the 10mm, and I got 32.5 inches of beads out of that. Here are the 8mm, and you can see how even they are. They're really, really pretty, and I got 24 inches of beads out of the 8mm, because you really don't know what you get when you see them in bulk. This is the 6mm, and I got almost 40 inches, 39.75 inches of 6s, which are a beautiful iridescent color. So whatever you put this next to, if you had polymer clay beads or other kinds of beads, it will pick up those colors next to them. And the last, which is 4mm, I got almost 56 inches, 55.75. You can see how really pretty this color is. And what do I do with these kind of beads? I make bracelets and necklaces and all different things. This is on my memberships and YouTube, how to make this type of a bracelet. It's very simple, but you can use any color beads. I've used an 8, a 6, and a 4. So that's basically how these could easily use this setup. I had 2 broken beads in the whole box, which that can happen in anything. So it really was an amazing deal for all of these beads for $10. What a great way to start building your bead stash.